Not everyone likes the warm, brassy tones that brunettes naturally have and blondes tend to pick up, but using store-bought toners regularly can damage your hair. But did you know that you can make your own toner solutions at home? Following is a list of 4 DIY hair toners that you can prepare at home. Today's video will discuss how to prepare homemade hair toner solutions at home. If you are new to Remedies One channel, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish new videos daily. How to make hair toner at home. 1. Baking soda shampoo. You will need sulfate-free shampoo, 2 drops blue food color, 2 drops purple food color, 1 tsp baking soda. Processing time 10 minutes. Process 1. In a jug, combine the ingredients with a few tablespoons of water. Set it aside and proceed to rinse your hair. 2. After you've rinsed your hair with water, use the shampoo mixture you set aside to wash your hair. 3. Leave the shampoo in your hair for 5-10 minutes before rinsing it out. 4. Follow this up with conditioner. How often? Do not use this shampoo mixture more than once a week as it can dry your hair. On the other days of the week, you can use regular sulfate-free shampoo with a few drops of purple and blue food color. Why this works? Baking soda shampoo makes an excellent clarifying hair treatment. This, in combination with the food color, works to remove product and mineral buildup while neutralizing the natural warm tones present in your hair. 2. Apple cider vinegar rinse. You will need 4 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoon water. Processing time 15 minutes. Process 1. In a jug, dilute the apple cider vinegar with the water. 2. Pour the mixture through your hair and leave it in for 15 minutes. 3. Rinse your hair with lukewarm, cool water. How often? Do not use this mixture more than 3 times a month as apple cider vinegar can dry your hair. Why this works? Apple cider vinegar is extremely acidic, which makes it an effective toner for getting rid of orange, yellow tones. It also acts as a deep cleanser to remove product buildup. 3. Hollyhock herbal toner. You will need 2 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoon hollyhock herbs, 1 cup water. Processing time 10 minutes. Process 1. Boil the ingredients until you get a thick liquid. Set it aside to cool. 2. Once the mixture has cooled, apply it to your hair. 3. Leave it in for 10 minutes and then rinse it out using cool, lukewarm water and a sulfate-free shampoo. How often? Do not use this hair toning solution more than once a week. Why this works? Hollyhock, like apple cider vinegar, has toning abilities that can remove unwanted warm tones from your hair. 4. Lemon for toning. You will need a 1/4 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice, 3/4 cup water, 2 tablespoon honey, spray bottle. Processing time 2 hours. Process 1. Pour the ingredients into a spray bottle and shake well to combine. 2. Spray the honey lemon mixture onto your hair. Ensure that you aren't saturating your scalp with the mixture. 3. Leave it in for 2 hours. 4. Try to spend 30 minutes of these 2 hours out in the sun. 5. Rinse the mixture out with a sulfate-free shampoo and condition your hair. How often? Do not use this mixture more than 3 times in a month. Why this works? Honey is a natural bleaching agent which is aided by the acid and vitamin C in lemons. Using this mixture a couple of times can tone your hair to make it at least a couple of shades lighter. Do you use hair toner for your hair? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.